How to see trade history. Are you guys facing issues if you get trade history on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To view your transaction history on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for more. Tap on more icon. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple options. To see your trading history, just simply select Trade. After you click on Trade, now tap on Trade History. After you click on Trade History, in this section you will be able to view all your trade history. That's it guys, that's how you're going to view your trading history on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.